Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to record depreciation in your QuickBooks account. Now, once you've logged into your account and you are in your dashboard, you want to hover your mouse on your create option on your left-hand menu. And once you are here, this pop-up will appear. You want to click on journal entry because that's what we are going to create to record depreciation in your account. So click on journal entry. It's going to bring us here. Now choose the date that you want to record the depreciation from, and under account the first entry is going to be depreciation, of course, right? So do that, and it's going to be accumulated depreciation on property, plant, and equipment. So click on this. Next is you're going to, on the second item, going to be what item or what account you're going to do. So for us, it's going to be property, for example. So property, plant, and equipment. There you go. And enter here how much, say 500. There we go. It's going to be here at the same time because that is pretty much what we are going to do, right? This is going to be what you're going to be working with, credits. And then afterward, you'll just click on save and new here on the lower right corner of your screen, and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.